President, when we talk about Southeast, let me put it succinctly clear to my colleagues. There's this undefined impression that lingers in the minds of the people. But let me tell you that if today you ask, who are the true Nigerians and peace-loving Nigerians? It's Southeast. These are the only group of people you can find everywhere, even in the village of Shetima. There's no place you can go in this country without finding an Igbo man. And wherever you see him, he's building bridges of friendship and frontiers of brotherhood, helping to develop the economy of the area. So whatever he's giving to Southeast, he's giving to Nigeria. I do not know in my village how many Southwesters, how many Northerners are in my village. But there's no village you can go without finding an Igbo man. So when we talk about unity of Nigeria, Igbos contribute 75% on the unity of this country. But yet, they are the most misunderstood people. Let me also speak with passion and appeal on their behalf for the first time. I've risen here to speak on behalf of North Central, Northwest, Southwest, and all this. First time I'm speaking on behalf of the Igbos. That this feeling of neglect and marginalization by the Southeast needs to be corrected somehow. Of recent, is a $22.7 billion that came to this nation as known, and nothing is being traced to the Southeast. It's painful. And the Igbos are beginning to feel neglected, rejected in a nation they think they are part of. I think this red chamber should assuage their fears and concern. It looks like whatever something comes for the Southeast, is viewed with kind of eyes that makes them feel that they're not part and parcel of the system. Mr. Senate President, I want to appeal, even in all that we do, today as I speak to you,